Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you must be fine. Uh, this is my 12th lecture. 12th. In my 11th lecture, as you know that I have been told you about Frontier. It was a secret visit by Rosendal September in the house of Thorlin Ham. So, it was a secret plan to find out where the real king, means Rudolf Helberg, is captured or kidnapped. In my 12th lecture, I will tell you much more about what happened in 12th lecture. So, today's my topic is Jacob's ladder. Jacob's ladder basically is called a large pipe. I have been written here a large pipe in a lost my point. Large pipe. My dear student, I will tell you about the next day interview. Next day, the one day is gone. The next day, Mr. Rappard of Hantazau, this is the name, Rappard. He will come with his people. Rappard Hantazau is a man of Michael. He come, Mr. Rappard. He will come to meet Mr. Rosendal and offer him millions crown. This offer. Okay, we'll give you millions crown and a safety of your life. Again, I repeat because this is concerned with my 12th lecture. When they offer him, Mr. Rosendal refuses. I have written the word refuses. Mr. Rosendal refused. As you know, Rappard is a villain, meanest villain, more than Michael. When, my dear student, when Mr. Rosendal refuses, then Rappard attacked with a dagger. He hurled a dagger like this, hurled a dagger. With the help of Almighty Allah, help of God, Rosendal makes safe, but he got injury on shoulder. He got, this is also an excuse. When Rappard attacked, hurled a dagger to Mr. Rosendal, he got injury on shoulder, wounds on shoulder. You know, Mr. Rappard attacked upon Rosendal. Rosendal got injury, wounds on shoulder. Now the people of three people were there, I will tell you. It was a distance 30 years. The people of Rosendal, they were 30 years away. Whenever they come, escape. I have written the word escape. Mr. Rappard will escape, run away from. Okay. Now I tell you, this was the whole story. The story was revealed, disclosed. Johann, he told us about imprisoned king, kidnapped king. He said, there is the old castle, Mr. Johann is a man of Michael. There is the old castle and Frontier near Zenda. This is the personal feud of Michael, personal land of Michael. Mr. Real King Rudolf Helberg is captured. There's a one room, it has a one window. Now I will tell you what happened. Mr. Real King Rudolf Helberg, he is kidnapped, captured in one room, it is only one window. How Rosendal and his people to save Mr. Real King Rudolf Helberg. I tell you, one room, it is behind, there's a moat, ditch, khandak, moat. Okay, and in the front, I'm talking old castle, in the front, there's a drawbridge where always the people of Michael are guarding. Okay, my dear student? Okay, now the role of large pipe, the Jacob's ladder, I tell you, large pipe. If the people come from entrance drawbridge, there is a risk of life of real king. Only there is a way to come from a moat with a large pipe when you carry a side. Or large pipe, I tell you. Large pipe, when you come from the moat, a ditch, when you saw large pipe will put into your mouth and you will carry a side. From that entrance, you can come and enter into room. There is a one window and you can say, but this is not easily possible. Okay. If attacked, my dear student, this is a last point of my lecture. In this time, Black Michael will not attack to real king because Mr. Razendal is alive. He is a crown king. The first target by Michael is to kill Rudolf Razendal. If Razendal is died, then real king already captured, he must be died. So this should hold, this is not possible. So Michael is not intending to kill real king, number one. Number two, Razendal, if he attacked directly, means he will suffer the life of real king Rudolf Helper. So this is not possible. And Mr. Razendal and Sept are knowing that Michael will not kill to Rudolf Helper until you are alive, Razendal. Listen, my dear, this is a plot of whole drama. This is the plot. You know, I am telling you, plot. Where whole story depend. Plot, where whole story depend. How? When we say climax, anticlimax, climax, two lovers meet each other and one villain enter and make the different direction of both. In this plot, the life of real king is a real inheritor of Ruritania. If Michael killed Rudolf Helper, Razendal already crowned king, there is no way that Michael should be a king. First he has to kill Rudolf Razendal, number one. Number two, if Rudolf Razendal, with the help of Sept and Fritz and his people, they are along with him, they attacked directly upon Old Castle, they will suffer the life of real king. So it takes a time. It takes a time to make a plan then how we will attack upon Old Castle to save our real king and kill the people though are criminal. I repeat my word. This was Jacob's ladder. From the window they will come from the Jacob's ladder. Okay, they have a large pipe. A room, there is only one room and it has only one window. Maybe possibly you come from the help of moot, dish and with the help of large pipe you put into mouth, carry aside and you come. But it's a plan, a head plan how to save the life of real king, my dear student. What I'm telling you, please try to understand my lecture. So the life of real king is more precious than other things. So Razendal can surrender his own life to save the king. It's a priority for Razendal. Same, it's a priority for Michael to kill Razendal first, then real king. Notice the plot. So the Michael is also in planning to kill first Razendal and then real king. Same, it's a priority of Razendal to save first real king, then his own life. He's already a dutiful king. He's a dutiful servant of Ruritania. He just come here to obey the duties of Ruritanian kingdom. So I hope in the 13th lecture, my dear student, I will tell you what happened next. So please wait. So in this, what I tell you, you must know the Jacob's ladder, a large pipe and moat. There's also a good question. If you want to write what's the role of Jacob's ladder, this is also a question in your notes or pieces, some other notes. So please, this I would give you one aside in my third lecture, inshallah. You will enjoy. What I'm saying, I'm not in mood to tell you in Urdu or something else. Sometimes I mix one or two words in Urdu, my dear student. But it's my duty to speak in English whole. that I'm a teacher of English, so it's my duty to focus on English. Inshallah, you enjoy much more. In my 30 lecture, I will give you much more. Now, thank you. Allah Hafiz.